Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I really enjoy casserole dishes. To me, it's comfort food at its best. In general, there's nothing fancy about it, but boy does it ever taste good! So far, I've shared a few of my casserole recipes, such as Mediterranean eggplant, Frankie's macaroni, Southwest beef casserole, and now, here's another one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my tuna casserole. This is such a delicious recipe. It adds just enough flavor to it without compromising the taste of the fish. This casserole dish is one of our favorites, and you'll understand why after trying it. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large, deep skillet over medium heat, we'll add clarified butter. While it's getting hot, we'll start cooking our egg noodles in boiling water. So we'll give a good stir and cook according to the package directions. Mine says 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, back to the skillet. We'll add onions, diced celery, and carrots. We'll stir and saute the ingredients for 3 minutes before adding the red peppers. Then saute everything for 2 minutes. Next, we'll add sliced mushrooms and season generously with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir until they are well incorporated, cover, and cook for 2 minutes. A couple minutes later, we'll add pressed garlic and pour in some lemon juice. After sauteing the ingredients, we'll add the flour and stir constantly until very well blended. This will help to thicken the sauce. Next, we'll pour in some half and half, followed by tuna and frozen peas, slightly thawed. Again, we'll combine the ingredients before adding Creole seasoning. Now, if you want to make your own, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then, hot paprika, dried basil, and dried thyme leaves. We'll also add 1 cup of cheddar cheese to it. Give a good stir, and of course, we'll taste and adjust if needed. Mine was just perfect. Now, the next ingredient we'll add is our cooked egg noodles, and we'll gently incorporate them into the mixture. We'll remove the skillet from the heat and transfer the mixture into a 3/4 baking dish lightly greased. Then we'll sprinkle with the remaining half a cup of cheddar cheese and set aside for now. In a medium bowl, we'll combine panko, fresh chopped parsley, and melted butter. We'll mix the topping together before spreading evenly on a casserole. When this step is done, we'll transfer the dish to a 375-degree preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. We'll remove from the heat and let it cool for 10 minutes before serving. And my friends, this is how tuna casserole. This dish is definitely not boring because of its delicious combination of ingredients. This is a great weeknight meal that your whole family will enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!